In this video, I'll show you the weapon realism mod for GTA 4, which improves gun behavior by making weapons feel more realistic while keeping gameplay balanced. Check my video description for this mod link, select the download option and wait for 30 seconds and select the download now option and download this mod. Right click on the zip and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close tab here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your GTA 4 game folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the GTA 4 folder, common in data, and the end of this XML file inside. Replace the file the destination. Now you can launch the game. This mod makes GTA 4 weapons more realistic by improving range, accuracy, damage, fire rate, and magazine size for better and more balanced gunfights. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.